G'day, welcome to episode 3 of our Red Centre adventure. In the last episode we left Birdsville and crossed the Simpson. We had a bit of drama, and let me tell you, it ain't over yet. We've already towed the Pootroll about 240 kilometres across the Simpson Desert. I estimate we've probably got about another 140 to go before we reach Mount Dare. We ensure all our rubbish and everyone else's that we've picked up along the way gets disposed of correctly. Also make sure you close the lids on these bins properly, as you don't want animals entering or the rubbish blowing out. Not far up the road we see the first buildings we've seen in a long time. We realise they're the buildings for Dalhousie Springs. We've been keen for this swim for so long.
Nice look there.
I often hear quoted that there are two different types of people in this world. I'm not really sure what's meant by that.
Ah, so good. How you like Dalhousie Springs, Emily?
Go away! Go away!
Yep. Hey, having a good swim with Daddy? Having a good swim with Daddy? How you liking Dalhousie, Karen?
I like it. Yeah, cool.
Pretty cool. I'd say it's pretty hot.
Well, it is actually.
What do you reckon, Chantel? Good? Too hot. I'll tell them to turn it down a bit.
After a bit of a swim, it's time to hit the road.
Okay, so we've just pulled over as the road's getting on very rough with stones, and Harley's just received his first chip in his windscreen, so they're about to try and put a mud flat from Harley's car onto the troopy to stop the rocks from trickling up and getting any more chips.
I hope that prevents a few more stone chips in the old Pootroll. We arrive at Mount Dare and find out the injector line isn't there, and not likely to be anytime soon. So while Isabel has a play with their dog Jem, Harley gets on the phone and organises another one. So here we are at Mount Dare Hotel. Old Troopy just towed the Pootroll across the desert, got on the phone, organised a spare injector line, which is at Kulgera, which is another, I don't even know, a couple hundred kilometres. Yeah. So going to try and put some extended mud flaps on this to stop the windscreen getting smashed more than it is, and hook it back up and start towing again. Yeah, a couple of beers, cool off, back into her. I should turn that around so it says Mount Dare on it. Jesus. Yeah. Hopefully that'll keep a few rocks off the windscreen of the Pootroll. You gotta have it, you gotta have it. Let us know in the comments what's the most you've ever paid. A couple of beers and a meat pie and we're back into it again. Driving to these beautiful backdrops seems to be becoming a thing. So we're halfway between Mount Dare and Think. Increase the rope by quite a bit so we can get Harley out of the dust and the rocks. Got quite a bit of distance between it now, and we've got to try and work something out to get some power from his auxiliary battery to his other battery so we can get some headlights. And then we'll be moseying on down the track once again. So, bit of a tight corner here, up the Lambert centre. The patrol here. Almost got pulled into this tree due to the long rope, so had to come back around in this very soft sand, and now we seem to have had a slight incident here where we might be just a little bit stuck. But all good, we'll sort that out. Lower this side down a little. Because the two vehicles are hard up against one another, we're trying to lower the passenger side and raise the driver's side of the troopy to try and get it away from the patrol. We jack the driver's side up the best we can in the soft sand. Now create a bit of a max track stack in an attempt to lift this side of the car as much as we can. This is why we bring all the gear, see? For these situations. Oh look, we really need it, but when you need it, it's good to have it. Harley, can I go one more pull? Yeah. Again? With the passenger side lowered and the driver's side raised as much as we can, I attempt to winch the troopy as gently as I can up onto the max tracks. We're still dragging against the patrol a little bit, but nowhere near as hard as it was before. Just a little more height and hopefully we'll be right. We won't be stuck here in the night.
Oh.
Now to try and get him back out on the track and away from that tree. After all that, we're finally back to where we started.
Whoa! Your mud flap! Oh, you just took out his mud flap.
That's mud flap?
This side, yeah.
I think about that until it went chunk. And even Chantel get mud flap on you straight away. You got mud flap?
That's under the wheel. I'll grab it once you go past.
Bloody patrol. It's just acting like a massive anchor in this soft sand. There's nothing like a new day to forget about a night recovery in literally the middle of Australia. We pack up our camp at Lambert's Geographical Centre of Australia and head off to Kulgera to hopefully fix this patrol. Here we are at Kulgera. We've got Harley's broken injector line Nice shady bit of a grassy spot. Do the repair, have a swim at the swimming pool, do some laundry. We're a bit luckier than a broken chassis here and a broken camper trailer. So we're doing alright. That could be us. We'd sort it out. Whack this injector line on and see how she goes. In the meantime, the ladies are doing a bit of dust removal. Because apparently it was quite dusty behind the Troopy for 400 kilometres. Bit dusty in there, Chantal?
Just a bit.
Just a bit? Karen? A little dusty?
Yeah, just a little.
Just a little. Righto. What do you reckon, Ali? She's gonna fit? Give us the geese. What do you reckon? Oh yeah. Holding new. Looks good. They're the same shape. That's a start. Righto. See how she goes, I suppose. Got some charge running into her from the Troopy. Will the old Nissan live to fight another day? Nope. Not enough charge, you know. It's alive! There's a big smile, Ollie.
Good, mate.
Time for some beers. A lot of beers. Look how drunk she is.
I'm not drunk. Yeah. You share with me.
Harley and I really got on it that night, but nobody needs to see the footage of that, trust me. With the patrol running sweet, the next day we're back on the road and continue with our quest to visit a big red rock. Yeah boy, don't get this in New South Wales. Master Chef Karen making some lunches. What are we having today, Karen?
Wraps.
Wraps.
There's ham, lettuce, avocado, cheese and mayo.
See that? Good shot, mate, good shot. That's Karen's slice of cheese. Well, there she is in all her glory. Join us next time where we visit the Olgas and spend some time exploring this big red rock. If you enjoy our videos, please support us by giving us a like and leaving some comments below. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any episodes. Until next time, keep trooping.